Don't do that yet. This is what we'll do eventually, because we're going to show you stepping first. This is stepping into it. You might have done this type of stepping. What we're going to do is called a rant, as in getting angry, as in a rant dance. And it starts with a hop, hop, step, hop, hop, change. All try it. Hop, hop, change. Hop, hop, change. Hop, hop, change. In between the hops, put a tap down. Perfect. If you can put extra shuffles in. You can also do it backwards in a step. Step, 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 hop, step, 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 hop, step, 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 hop, step, step, step. Or single steps. Or forward you can go. Basically improvise. Okay. They are your variety of stepping that you're going to do. Yeah. What we do in between the stepping, we are going to demonstrate the dance for you. Okay, so we're going to start up without hands, with hands, Michael? With hands. We're going to go with hands. We're going to do a 4-hand wheel. And we're going to pass our partner 4 times so that the women meet in the middle. Ian. Intro? Okay, here we go. Walk it to start. When we meet in the middle, Alice and I are going to stop. We're going to step to each other. And we all step. Now we're going to do the wheel again, walking without music. Without hands, not without music. This time the men are going to meet in the middle. They're going to step to each other. Then we're going to step to our partners. Then we're going to dance with you with hands. We're going to meet in the middle. And we step. And to our partners. Dance without hands. Men meet in the middle. Step. Here we're going to want an extra beat. Step to partner. Then we swing like partners, extra beat.
Don't rush, keep going, lots of time, keep going 4 passes with your partner, and then the ladies end up in the middle. Ladies, stop in the middle. And then yes.